Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip tribe. Today, let's talk Valentine roses. You know you'll be doing thousands of roses, more roses than you can imagine. Proper care will make them last so long. Start by immediately unwrapping. Get the wrappers off. Pull open the cardboard. You don't want anything trapping that moisture inside. Then quickly remove all the lower foliage. Make sure that that's clean so you have bare stems that will go in the water. Once they're stripped, fill a bucket with cool water, mix with flower food. Prepare a cup of quick dip, because this will make them hydrate even faster. Then each rose, just give it a cut, dip it, and place it in the bucket. For speed and efficiency, when it comes to the big design day, one more step. Count your dozens out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then using craft paper, fold it into a band, bundle that 12 together, and staple. Now the designer needs only grab and they know they have 12. Now all of this can be done way ahead by someone who's not a designer, maybe somebody who's just dreaming of being a florist. Let them do the stripping, the cutting, the counting and wrapping, leave designing for you. For more helpful tips, check out flowerschool.com.